Well, let's head back to the house, get the water tested and get those results posted. And if you guys want to continue to see and follow us through our journey on this pond restoration project, feel free to hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when we do upload a new video. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be testing the water quality of the water from our family farm pond. And we're going to be using the Pond Master test kit. Got this off of Amazon. It was roughly $33. So we went to the pond, or I went to the pond the other day and didn't see a single fish out there. I was worried about, whether it was oxygenation level, pH, ammonia, I don't know. But I fished that sucker for 30 minutes, didn't catch a single fish. All right, so let's get started. We're going to test the water quality here, testing for the pH, ammonia, nitrate, and phosphate levels. So I went online, looked what the acceptable levels were for the actual pond water. When we're dealing with pH, the 6.5 to 8 range, 7 being the sweet spot. Ammonia, no. We want it to be at 0 or as close to 0 as possible. Same with the nitrates, 0 to 0.25. Phosphates, again, close to 0 as possible. This Pond Master test kit comes with everything you really need. Comes with 4 test tubes, little test tube holders. So let's get the sample of our waters and we'll be adding the drops and figure out what our levels are at. Now that I have the water in the test tubes, we're going to go ahead and add the 5 drops of the pH to test tube 1. Actually, let me give this a little shake first. And hopefully I can get the exact amount. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These test tubes have a little marker for the 5 ml marking spot. So for the ammonia, it says bottle 1 add 8 drops, and then bottle 2 add 8 drops. So let's go ahead and start with bottle 1. 8 drops, here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, whatever chemicals are in this bottle 2 for the phosphate checking, it's a little thicker, so you have to just use a little more pressure on the bottle. So be careful with that. So we're going to go ahead and close these up, shake them, let it sit for a minute or so, and we will come back and compare it to the color chart, see where we're at. All right, guys, we're back. It's been a minute or so, so let's check our levels out. We'll check the pH first. Again, we want 6.57, and if we look at the color, we are right about 6.5, and honestly, it's kind of stuck in between that 6 and 6.5, so we'll call that healthy for the pH. Next, we'll be checking the ammonia levels. Yay! So hopefully the color will come through on the camera, but that's yellow. So we are 0 on the ammonia. That is good. Let's check the nitrate. Nitrate, awesome. We're at 0. That's good. So phosphate, last one. This one's got kind of a bluish tint, kind of a little. All right, so the water testing quality of the pond water went better than expected. The pH was right where it needed to be, that 6.5 level, 0 ammonia, 0 nitrates. Yes, phosphate is present. Just about all ponds will have the phosphate. Higher the phosphate, the more algae, duckweed you're going to get in the spring, summer times. But we're going to combat that with a future project. It's going to be a solar fountain and solar pond, keep the aeration levels up and help break up that stratification level. So if you guys like what we're doing with our pond with this pond restoration project, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the future videos of the pond projects. Thanks, guys.